Welcome to our guide on creating your own NFT in 2025. In this video, we'll explore the importance of NFTs and how they've shaped the digital economy. First, let's delve into digital ownership and how blockchain technology secures it. Understanding this foundation is crucial for our journey. Next, choosing the right NFT marketplace is key. We'll discuss popular options such as OpenSea, Rarible, and more. Now, let's create digital artwork fit for an NFT. Whether you're an artist or a creator, uniqueness is paramount. Before we mint your NFT, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet. We'll guide you through creating one securely. It's time to mint your NFT. Follow these steps carefully to bring your digital creation to life on the blockchain. Once minted, you'll need to list your NFT on your chosen marketplace. Here's how to do it effectively to attract buyers. Promotion is vital. Learn effective strategies to showcase your NFT and reach potential buyers. After your NFT is live, managing and tracking sales is crucial. Stay on top of your performance and adjust strategies as needed. Finally, let's look ahead at potential trends in the NFT space. What can we expect beyond 2025?